Nigeria na full soap opera. Nigeria na full soap opera. For Nigeria, you no need Netflix, you no need DSTV, you no need anything, because every day na so different drama dey happen. Una know the latest one na the one about Senator Natasha. Dat woman in fact, make she go work for secret service. The woman, the moves wey she make even James Bond dey learn for where dat woman dey. Una know the latest now. For those of una wey no know, Senator Natasha na senator for Nigeria, of Kogi Central, from Kogi Central. So she dey represent Kogi Central. So na so one day for senate she just dey do her own jejely. Na dey tell her say make she leave seat wey she dey, make she go the next seat, make she go another seat. The woman say no, lie, you no go move. Na there yawa gas, everything dey happen. Before you know, they suspend her. Dat time when they suspend her, na she come out say hey, get the wetin the guy dey do, wetin senate president dey disturb her, you know, na e dey disturb her. So she come say e dey harass her. So as a result of that 6 months she don comot. Okay, that one do abi, una say make she comot, she don comot for 6 months for una. Now she wan go back to her people for Kogi State. The people wey she dey represent na bad thing. I no think say na bad thing. She plan say she dey go, at least make she rest, make she get herself back. Now if you get wahala, no be people for house you go meet. So Senator Natasha say make she just waka go Kogi State make she go meet her people. Na im the governor wey dem dey call Dodo abi na Beans, I no know im name, na Ododo abi na Beans, abeg make una put am for comment. Na im just give law quick. He say make no convoy come Kogi, make e ban convoy, e ban large gathering, say make people no gather, make people no do gather, make dem no gather for any reason. But Senator Natasha now, e no know say the babe get James Bond wey she plan. Before you go say Jack Robinson, before you go say moi and Beans, na so she just use helicopter just enter Kogi. Wetin even trip me for the fact na say no be say she even enter with helicopter, na how they even receive that woman. They really love that woman. For those of us wey maybe go dey think say they no really love her, you just enter like that. That woman, they love her. Her power, her influence for that Kogi stand gidigba. And she just enter, na so they start to holla. Hey, they welcome her, they speak language. Na so she sef dey gyrate, she sef just dey accept them. Na so e be o. Wetin even dey chill me pass are all these our governors. If to say I be the Dodo, that governor wey be Dodo, abi na im name na Dodo, I no know. The governor, if for just respect himself, say anything wey happen for Abuja na Abuja matter, make Senator Natasha and Senator Akpoti make dem deal with their wahala. If for just mind the business, but now e can't put hand for the matter. The thing can't be like say at the end of the day, e can't make am look so funny. People go come dey say, in fact, e can't be like say the more they try to suppress her, they try to suppress Natasha, Senator Natasha, the more her light dey shine. Na so e be o. If you dey do something, people go try to suppress you, but if you dey do the thing, you dey consis ten t, you dey focused, you know why you dey do am. Na so your light go dey shine. As they try to bring you down, na so your light go dey shine. The governor for just respect himself, say this matter no concern me o. Make it na between two people. Make na Abuja matter, I no dey Abuja with una. Make I face governance. Quick. E don make law say make dem ban gathering, make dem do this, make dem do that. I hope say na so e dey make law quick to help Kogi people wey dey suffer. Because the way e just make this one quick, just say make dem no do this, make dem no. I hope na so e dey do when people dey hungry. E go make law say oya, make una come collect food, or make I do something to make Kogi State better. If for just facing governance, leave Abuja people for their matter. Make dem dey fight their Abuja fight. Abi wetin una think? Make una put am for comment. But one thing wey I know say, if I need person to help me do any James Bond moves, I go employ Senator Natasha. That woman, she be correct babe. Abi wetin una think? Put am for comment. I don talk my own. Till I see una for the next video when I go talk about something when una go like well. Una do.